solve important question for NEET from Kingdom Protista. Question 1. Chrysophytes, euglenoid, dinoflagellate, and slime molds are included in the Kingdom Protista. Question number 2. Select the wrong statement. Number 1. The wall of diatoms are easily destructible. This is a wrong statement for the diatom because diatoms cell walls are not easily destructible due to impregnation of silica. So this is the wrong statement and the answer. The other option, diatomaceous earth is formed by the cell wall of diatom. This is true. Diatoms are the chief producers in the ocean. That's also true. Diatoms are microscopic and float passively in water. This is a diatom don't have a flagella, so organ of movement is not there, so they float in water passively. Question number 3. Which of the following kingdom have no well-defined boundaries? Kingdom Protista is not having the well-defined boundaries because the Kingdom Protista includes the organisms that belongs to from the old classification, plants, animals, and the fungi. So, and they have autotrophs, heterotrophs, parasites, saprophytes. So they don't have a well-defined boundary. Question number 4. Chrysophytes are plankton. We have seen that the chrysophytes, the diatoms and desmids, they don't have flagella and say they move passively in water with the water current. So they are called the plankton. Nectons are those microorganisms aquatic which can move with their organ of movement, that is the flagella is present. Benthic organisms, those organisms which live at the bottom of the water bodies. Question number 5 is a matching. Matching for column 1 and column 2 is given. Column 1 consists of different groups of protists and column 2 particular type of protists. Chrysophytes match with the diatoms and golden algae, that is the desmids. Dinoflagellates, one of the dinoflagellate given, that is goniolax. Euglenoids includes the euglena, so C match with 3. Slime molds are saprophytic protist. Paramecium is the protozoan. So A goes with 5. It is only option is there, that is number 2. Question number 7 is again matching. It's a column 1, different types of protozoa, and column 2, the examples, the name of the protozoans. So here, amoeboid protozoa, A goes with Antamoeba histolytica is the amoeboid protozoans. Flagellated protozoan is the trypanosoma. So B with 3. Ciliated one is a paramecium, and sporozoan protozoa is the plasmodium. So our answer will be A with option 4. A with option 4 goes with option number 3. Question number 8. Which of the following is a flagellated protozoans? The trypanosoma is the flagellated protozoa, and this causes sleeping sickness disease. Next question, chrysophytes. Chrysophytes include diatoms and desmids. Question number 10. Which of the following character belongs to slime molds? A. Saprophytes. Yes, slime molds are saprophyte, form plasmodium under favorable condition. The slime mold's body, which grow during the favorable condition, it is known as plasmodium. And this plasmodium, they do not contain the cell wall. C. Spores possess two walls. In general, the plasmodium or the slime mold, they do not produce cell wall, but during the production of a spore, they contain cell wall. So cell wall is present in the spores, but not in the vegetative body. Spores are dispersed by water. This is wrong because the spores produced by slime molds is uh, dispersed by air. So D is wrong. Body moves along, decaying twigs and leaves engulfing organic matter. Slime molds are saprophytic, so they feed on the decaying organic material. So this is also true. So our answer is, that is, all are correct except D. Question number 11. Following feature belongs to. The features are appear yellow, green, brown, blue, and red depending on pigment in the cell. Stiff cellulosic plates form the cell wall. One longitudinal and one transverse flagella present, and photosynthetic. These characters are found in the group dinoflagellates. Question number 12. Which of the following is wrong about the amoeboid protozoans? Number 1, they live in freshwater, seawater, or moist soil. This is true. Amoeba has pseudopodia for locomotion and capturing prey. It is true. Antamoeba shows holozoic nutrition. No, Antamoeba is a parasitic organism in the intestine of human beings and cause amoebic dysentery. And they are not holozoic, they are parasitic. So it has the parasitic mode of nutrition. And marine forms are shelled with silica. This is true. Plasmodium is a protozoa, also known as malaria parasite. Question 15. Red tide in warm coastal water develops due to presence of. This is due to presence of dinoflagellate, because the dinoflagellates are the colored organism, colored protist, goniolax, etc. They are red color, and these organisms, when it multiply, make the seawater red, and which is known as red tide. Question number 16. Plant-like nutrition is found in Euglena. Euglena is a unique organism, unique protist. They don't have the cell wall, but they have chloroplast. And due to presence of chloroplast, they can synthesize their food. So they are autotrophs. But one of the unique and peculiar feature of this Euglena is that when there is continuous darkness, that is, in the absence of light, it behave as a predator. So it can catch other organism and eat it. So it shows both the type of nutrition, the animal-like nutrition as well as plant-like nutrition. Thank you. Subscribe, comment, and share the channel.